Hey guys, I recently made a post asking you guys how to get the tire off the rim the easiest because I stripped out my hex on there because I got the tires wet and I want to save the tires. A lot of you gave good suggestions. I'm going to show you the one that worked the best for me. I tried most of them, but big thanks to RC Garage 89. He told me to go ahead and put them, you don't put them in the acetone, you basically hang them above, so off out of the acetone, let the fumes eat away at the glue, and I put them in a container because you want to seal it because acetone evaporates. So let's go and check it out and see if it worked. These are my old Italians or whatever for the E-Revo, and they were unbalanced. I put some putty in there, but basically I cut a piece of cardboard to put it in there, let it soak in the acetone, close this, it's getting strong. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and check out the tire. This is the front. It looks like it did a really good job. You can tell it's like kind of like the glue. It's like really sticky and gooey now. This is where it was the closest around that ring the whole time. So it looks like it did. Look at that, it's coming right off. I mean, there's a bead down in there still a little bit, but I can just, pull that out of there. Yeah, look at that, it's coming right off. So this worked the best. I tried heating them up. That didn't really work too good. I tried putting a little bit of acetone around the edge on one of my other tires. That didn't work too good. I was just testing with these tires, and it didn't do the back. I already looked at this earlier. It didn't really do the back too good. I left them in here for about 24 hours, so maybe a little bit longer will help, or maybe flip it the other way and have the acetone be closer, because the acetone was really close when it soaked up through that tube and was right around the ring right here. But I just want to tell you, show you one thing I noticed when I took it out the first time. It looks like the tire got bigger. I have an older, or the same tire right here. I don't know how I can show you this in the frame, but this tire feels way softer. It feels like really thin, and this one's pretty rough. And I don't know if you can see, let me try to get it from this view. You can see the one on the left looks way bigger. You can tell it's taller than the original ones just by a little bit, but when you feel it, it just feels really soft, and it definitely looks bigger, more blown up around the wall here. If you're trying to save a rim, this looks like the best way to go. If you're trying to save like your tire, I don't know, because I think it ruins the rubber. I'm not sure though. I would look up, some more about it and see if your tire will go back to normal. I don't know yet. I'm gonna go ahead and try to work the rest of this off of here, and then I'll show you once I get it off. I might have to soak it a little bit more. I don't know yet. Okay, guys, I worked with it for a minute, and I got a little piece off right here, and as you can tell, it just comes right out. So this is definitely the way to go. Like I said though, I don't think it's gonna save your tire. Hey guys, I worked with it for a little bit longer, and the tire did eventually start ripping apart. You can tell in the inside there that most of the tire came out, except for a little bit right there and a little bit right there. So if you're trying to save your tires, probably not the best way to go. Like I said, I think it really softened up the tires to where it actually was ripping, but these tires are kind of old anyway. I just wanted to also, look at all the dirt in there. That's why tires also get unbalanced. If you ever drive and start noticing like a wobbling or something, you get a lot of dirt in here. Water's the worst, but dirt's also bad, and I might actually go in and get a little screen netting and make a video of what I'm talking about and put over these holes on the outside so it'll still breathe, but less dirt will get in. Okay guys, I was working at it for a little bit longer. I cannot get the back off. It just keeps ripping the tire. So I really think that since I had it on this cardboard thing and it soaked up all the acetone, and the acetone was like, right next to the bead in the front, that's what got it off. So I would go ahead and try to do something like that, and then flip it around and try to get it on the back side. The only thing is it held on the front side because of this, but on the back side it's going to fall through. So you might want to get something that goes on the outer, something a little bit bigger that actually sits on the tire, and then you should be able to loosen that up a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I think that's the best method I've had so far, so hope it helped you. Thanks for watching.